Welcome back! And today ay araw ng ating paglalayag. Charot! Yes, today is the time for the snorkeling, like deep diving and everything, like water activities and more and more. So, let's go and enjoy! See ya! Today is that we're gonna go first to the Cala in Cayo because it is our first priority. And yeah, after that we can go and visit the other places like do deep diving and also visit the caves. So that will be our itinerary for today. And yeah, so let's go and enjoy. And that's my kapitan, say hi. Slash husband, slash best friend. And this is our outfit for today, as you can see. But yeah, but later on we're gonna change top. I'm just afraid to get super sunny, too dark. Filipinas always like that. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Hi everyone. So now we're gonna start our diving, deep diving. I'm super cold. I don't know, but yeah, this is our life. it's a torture, I know. But I think one more month it's gonna be really nice to you. But sadly, this is just the last week of April. So yeah, let's go.
First day of
Hi mga Cala. So yeah, we're gonna start now. So let's go.
You go first. It's for you here, so you go first. You are swimming also in
Okay, guys, we're gonna scout this. Hello, I hadn't said cave. This one, and I think it's gonna be really worth it. And look at this. This is the mountain and a big rock and a big rock. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna come back again. So let's find Stefan. Stefan! 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 Oh, Stefan! Oh. Steph! It was amazing, guys. Super nice. And look at that. There's a jellyfish. The jellyfish. Super, super nice. Inside. Okay, guys, so we're gonna follow Stefan. He's inside. Just keep over. It's just so cold, freezing cold, everyone. But it's super, super worth it. Let's go. How are you?
Ja, zeg maar echt iets.
What?
Ja, zeg maar echt iets.
Yep. That was something, guys. You should have. No, he's fine. Because it's super cold.
We come back in July, August. Oh,
Super cold today. I mean, it's sunny, but it's super cold.
it's beautiful.
But it's beautiful inside. Oh. How do you like the inside?
It's delicious.
Where?
Yes, it's beautiful. The color also, the color.
Yes.
And the sunlight falls in, it blue.
Exactly.
It's nice.
She's flying. On the here, it's nice to see you. Look at that. We are in paradise. Joy's back to you. everyone, welcome back. So this is our first time on land actually, and yeah, we're going to the restaurant. We're gonna try whatever we can try there. And yeah, I just took off my beach shoes. Yeah. Let's go and explore.
I know what's gonna happen.
And they have
I will have
Pinky.
to go back to the boat for my money, I suppose.
How much?
Eh?
They have like,
Yeah,
what
they
is
have
that?
still-
Baya. So they have this Baya thingy.
They all have each way. Okay?
Okay then. Yeah, it's so cute. We can. I think we can still do.
Eh?
Mhm.
Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Wait.
We're so interested. Okay. Come here. How about that?
Elle est bonne? Elle est bonne? Hein? Si j'entends rien, ça veut dire que c'est bon, hein?
The only place.
Okay. So stay here. Oh, so cool.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it.